Today what we are going to see is NeuroDash. So it's a AI-powered B2B customer intelligent platform. So a platform like a e-commerce platform or a customer will get millions of unstructured feedbacks items. Like it's a form of tagging and then feedbacks and then complaints and tickets, something like that. So this Neuro Dash will turn those unstructured feedback item into one insights, searchable insights, and it's powered by AWS Bedrock and then AWS Aurora and deployed on Vercel. So what is the problem? What we are going to solve with this NeuroDash is business are drowning in the unstructured data in the form of every day. Companies receive thousands of support tickets, reviews, and summary response, but it is in a very plain text. Before they are do anything, the things already happened, like the damages already happened. For example, if the customer success team only discover unhappy customers after they left the platform. So this is what is our solution is like you just ask anything on your data in a plain English, it will show you, it will give you the insights. So we start with the what is the flow issues. So we hosted the application using the Vercel. So this is a URL. So once you give analysis, it will give you the results, top results. So for example, the payment gateway item time out during the peak hours. So it is also giving the insights about the application. Even last 3 sales, this sales this week because of this. So it is giving the insights. And then checkout was buttery smooth this time, applied my discount code in seconds and graded something. And there is like what is the score also, it is a what is the tone also, it is giving, it's a neutral. And then what is the simulation prediction, those are the prediction values also it's given. And it's in the dashboard, like there are other details like what is the global sentiment analysis score and what is the total feedback what we are getting to the Aurora DSQL. So that's a 1.2 million. And then there is any issues, it is capturing. There are 3 issues we need to address immediately. So this is a flow, like in a real time, how much data has been injected to the database. The sum will be provided here in the weekly manner. So similarly, like we have something like if you want to detect some trend in detection, so we can ask, you can ask anything in your plain English. So you just execute the query, so the result will be updated here. So the database redesign, the dashboard redesign is massive improvement. So the feedback is shows the recent redesign of the dashboard will given a very positive information. So you are getting neutral commands like neutral reviews. And then we can also some real time we can also check other things like real time injections related queries. So once you hit it, so the injection which is Zyper was that simple. Had my workflow running in under 5 minutes. So it is a new, again it's a neutral reviews. So the categories of what type of review also we can see. So this is how we are helping the customer to solve the problems, and then they are getting insights immediately out of their existing feedbacks and then existing tickets they are receiving. So this is how we are using it. So it is a semantic based search, and in the compatibilities, it's a natural language querying. You can do a trend detection, you can do a prediction, as well as you can do a real-time injection. And then how the control is working is, its front end is Next.js, and then it goes to API calls, goes to the serverless API. And then the serverless API will uses the Titan text embedded v1, and it goes to the AWS zero stack. So that is our AWS Aurora Postgres SQL. So it built with so the response will be come back to your dashboard itself, which we shown already. So the stack which we what we built, so the front end The deployment we use a Vercel. The front end is Next.js 16, and Tailwind CSS version 4 what we used, and then Vercel in edge network and serverless function, and backend backend AWS service what we used, Amazon Aurora Postgres SQL 15.17, and then pgvector. So that is our 1536 dimension similarity searches, and then AWS Bedrock for the Titan text embedded via version 1, and CloudFormation for the infrastructure deployment, and Drizzle's ORM. So that's a type safe schema management. So from zero to production, so which we developed using this tool, and then it goes to immediately production. So these are the challenges what we solve. So CloudFormation engine, it is solving dynamic scripting, and what we're proud of is there are 1536 embedded dimensions via the Bedrock Titan. So we are getting those dimensions values, and then the semantic search is latency is less than 1%. So it is already built with security first IAM. So that is the NeuroDash is the user what we are using for the web application, and full IAS, the full infrastructure has been deployed using CloudFormation. So the key takeaway is like this is a pgvector is production ready, and Bedrock is simplifies the AI authentication, and dependency hygiene is matter. So we use a native binary packages. So the roadmap, the next version may be the live and integration with your Zendex, Intercom, and Salesforce, so that you will have more meaningful real-time predictions, and then AI summaries. So using a Bedrock Cloud, we can generate the summary, weekly trends, and then executive reports, and then the prediction using the ML model and train the historic data, so we can predict the what is a flag, what at risk customer before they escalate. So thank you for that. Thank you.